Good morning, children. Welcome to my class. So, in our previous classes, we are discussing about lesson 15, religious festivals. How do we celebrate these festivals? We discussed about Diwali, we discussed about Eid and Gurpurab. Alright. So, today we are going to discuss about Christmas. Okay. Whenever you talk about Christmas, actually whenever we talk about Christmas, what comes in our mind? What comes in our mind? Santa Claus comes in our mind. Cake comes in our mind, isn't it? We have lots of fun when Christmas is there. And Christmas was just around the corner. We just celebrated Christmas, isn't it? Okay. Christmas is the festival of Christians. Who celebrate this festival? Christians celebrate. But we celebrate because we are in this country. India is our country, and here almost all the festivals are celebrated by each and every one. So we celebrate Christmas, isn't it? Okay. It is celebrated every year on 25th December to mark the birthday of Jesus Christ. When Christmas is celebrated on 25th December of every year. On that day, who was born? Jesus Christ was born on that day. Okay. On this day, Christmas tree is decorated with gifts and candles. I think now all of you are small, you also decorate Christmas trees with candles, with lights, isn't it? With small gifts. Santa Claus gives you so many gifts, isn't it? On Christmas Day. Alright? Okay. People share Christmas cake, visit church and light candles. Yes, we go to the church to light candles. Okay, then people share Christmas cake with everyone, friends and relatives all come together. They have a lot of fun, they enjoy. Okay, and they visit church on that day to light candles. Alright, nowadays all these festivals are celebrated by everyone irrespective of religion. Whether we follow any religion, that does not matter. But we are from India. Our country is from India. So, we celebrate all the festivals. Okay? Irrespective of religion. Whether we are Hindu or Muslim or Christian or Sikh, it does not matter. But first of all, we are Indians. And we celebrate all the festivals with equal joy, happiness, isn't it? So, children, in this chapter, we discussed about, first of all, we discussed about Diwali. Diwali is a festival of lights. What you do on Diwali? You wear new clothes. You worship God and goddesses. God Ganesh and Goddess Lakshmi. You worship. Okay. You share sweets with your friends, relatives. You wear new clothes. All these things you do on Diwali. Eid. What you do on Eid? Eid also you wear new clothes. You see, so many things are common. You wear new clothes. You go to the mosque to pray. Okay. You eat lot of sweets. That is meethi savayan with your friends and relatives. Isn't it? Everyone gives best wishes to others. They say Eid Mubarak to each other. Alright. Then comes Gurpurab. There also you see, this is also a holy festival of Sikhs. Okay, people go to the Gurudwara and worship. Okay, langar is held where food is served to all the people who come there. Food is served. Okay. Then Christmas is a festival of Christians, but we all celebrate. Okay, it is celebrated on 25th December. We eat lots of cake. We go to the church to light candles, isn't it? So you see here, so many things are common in everywhere. You see what is common everywhere. We enjoy, we have lot of fun, we meet our friends and relatives, we eat together, isn't it? So all these things, almost so many things are common, and we worship that day. The most important thing is we worship that day. Okay, so children, please go through this lesson. This is lesson 15, religious festivals. Okay, of our country. What do we celebrate? Okay, please go through. Thank you.